At CertaPro Painters of North Miami, we paint your home faster than your weekend plans. We have access to the best prices on products, but we do give you from basic to the highest end product. We refer the product that best suits your situation, your home, whether you live near the water or you live in a condo, if it's an interior or exterior. So we make sure that we cater to your needs. And one of the things we do differently that no one else does is we do color consultation, and we take it very personal. Your colors are our colors. During our estimate process, we are actually getting to know your space, kind of like an interior designer. We do renderings before and after, and we do physical swatches before you decide the final color. That's even before we come out and start painting. CertaPro Painters has over 30 years of experience in painting industry. We do residential, we do commercial, interior, exterior. We also do repairs. We do stucco repair and drywall repair, and we do flooring. We're definitely passionate about customer service because we want to be your painter for life. We don't want to come one time and you never see us again. So we want to make sure you continue to refer us to your friends and family. We want to be your family's painter.